Hi everybody,
Hi everyone,
we are Siona parents. I am Sandeep.
and me Elna Gurung Shrestha.
Now we are very much happy after receiving a lot of prayers, supports and donations from all around the country and outside country. Actually there were a lot of suggestions that we should also give detailed knowledge about our daughter in language other than Nepali. So I'm trying to give it in English. Kindly bear with me, okay? Now this is Siona, our daughter, who is 8 months old. Now she is suffering from a rare genetic disease called spinal muscular atrophy, and she has the most severe form of this type, that is type 1. Actually she was alright till 4 months of age, when we noticed that she was not moving her head or holding her head. Then we also noticed that she was very weak, not able to roll her body. She was very hypotonic. Then gradually this increased. She was not able to move her limbs. So we thought that this might be some delayed hypotonia. So we thought to wait for a few months. Now she was already 6 months. Still there was no head holding. So we thought of visiting a pediatric neurologist to get some diagnosis why she was so weak and hypotonic. Then we went to Kathmandu and visited a doctor, and she did all the tests, and then she diagnosed her as a case of spinal muscular atrophy after performing a genetic test. We even did a confirmation test by sending blood sample to Lucknow PGI, and that also showed a deletion of this SM1 gene, and her spinal muscular atrophy diagnosis was confirmed. Now what happens in spinal muscular atrophy is, this is a degenerative disease in which there is a degeneration of all the muscles and nerves of the body. So what happens initially, there will be degeneration of muscles of limbs. So her muscles will be very weak. She may not be able to move her upper limb, lower limb, and even not able to hold her head. Then gradually there will be weakness of these neck muscles. So she may not be able to swallow. So she has very difficulty in feeding also. So she has difficulty in swallowing, feeding her milk and other formula feeds. Whenever she feeds, sometimes she even aspirates. Next is, she has weakness of chest muscles, that is respiratory muscles. So she has frequent pneumonia, and by this time we have already admitted her for 3 times because of pneumonia. And the most common cause of death in this disease is recurrent pneumonia. Now you can see her, she is having difficulty breathing while sitting up. She is frequently coughing out. So you can know what is the condition of her child. Now regarding treatment, it is very expensive. Till now only gene therapy is known to cure this disease, and we have to have this drug before she reaches 1 year of age. That is, we have just few months left, and without treatment she is not going to survive beyond 18 to 24 months. So we have only few months left. So that please share this. Please try to donate for our daughter, so that she can get the required gene therapy in time, and she may also live like your child. Lovely good day. Lovely good day.